It is Sunday morning here at the 10th annual Sven family reunion race at the beautiful StCyr compound. We're in Battleground, Washington. Sunday morning is finals day and working through the electric modified B main right now. They set 8 cars into the main event, and then the rest of the competitors get a chance to bump up or race their way into the final. But there will be a bunch of racing action today. The extended nitro mains will be happening a little bit later. So this is one of the lower mains in the 110 scale nitro division, the D main. It's a 15-minute final, so they're going to do pit stops every probably 4 or 5 minutes or so. But this is the start. Here comes Sven. I feel like this is a terrible place to stand. Well, 3 days of racing is complete. Sunday Funday is in the books. It was an epic day of finals. I think only one of the electric races was finished up before the third main, which is always a good sign. The nitro battles were ridiculous, and of course I forgot to turn my camera on while I was in the booth, so my bad. One final look at the awesome track that is the StCyr compound, also known as Timezone Raceway Park, until they got some problems with the one neighbor that decided they didn't like this race being so awesome, and they gave him a bunch of grief. So the StCyrs had to jump through a bunch of extra hoops, took a year off, brought it all back, and we have had an amazing time this weekend, and I want to thank everybody that makes this stuff happen.